Is the Ryzen 77800X 3D still the gaming CPU to buy? Honestly, for a lot of people, yes. This processor has stayed in the conversation for one big reason: gaming performance. The AMD Ryzen 77800X 3D is an 8-core, 16-thread AM5 chip. But what really makes it stand out is AMD's 3D V-cache. That extra cache is a major reason this CPU performs so well in games, and why so many gamers still rate it so highly. What makes this chip so easy to talk about is that AMD didn't try to make it everything for everybody. The 7800X 3D is clearly aimed at gamers first, so if your main focus is high frame rates, smoother gameplay, and getting the most out of your graphics card, this CPU makes a lot of sense. It's especially appealing for people building on AM5 and wanting a processor that still feels like a smart gaming buy right now. You're getting a chip that's focused, efficient, and built around the kind of performance most gamers actually care about. So if you're putting together a serious gaming PC and wondering whether the Ryzen 77800X 3D is still worth it, this is one of the strongest options you can look at.